Right. Well, we got a 70s model Caprice that we just did a remote starter on. It is carbureted. Um, you have to excuse us. It's about just about 1 o'clock in the morning. We're just not getting done with it, amongst other things. Really quick, I just want to show people that you can do a remote starter on these old cars. So I do have the keys in my hands. And it does start on the first shot. I can also shut it down, of course. But here's the great feature about it. We do have the Linkr on it from Omega, which you'll see here. I'm gonna go ahead and set the keys down, and we're gonna press start here. And I'm gonna send the car a text message. So once the message goes through, and basically I just sent the car a text message and told it to start. Now here's my other hand, and the keys are on the ground. So once the vehicle's received the text message, then the vehicle goes ahead and starts up. Keys are out now. Everything's done to the cell phone. Now, and it just sent me a command, sent me a text message back, letting me know that the vehicle just started, and it is running. So I'm able to send the car text messages, and the car is able to send me messages back. Send it another message, tell it to shut down. And there you go. All done from the cell phone on a 70s model Caprice. It also has a GPS tracker and locator. I can find this car anywhere in the United States, Canada, anywhere with Google Maps. And it doesn't matter where I'm at. I can easily find it by the push of a button. I can lock it, unlock it, remote start it, park the trunk, all from my cell phone, anywhere in the world. As long as I got cellular service, I can talk to the car and the car can talk to me. Unique Audio Customs. Stay grinding.